Pakistan has finally decided to bow down before India after consecutive attacks. Pakistan chose peace over violence in the end. India have agreed to halt all kinds of military actions as of now with requests from Pakistan. India and Pakistan agrees to ceasefire after days of attack. Negotiation will be on 12th May from both countries. Pahalgam attack was considered as the deadliest attack on civilians in India that leaves both Pakistan and India in a war-like situation. On 26 April, 5 Pakistan terrorists killed 26 civilians at Pahalgam, Kashmir. 15 days after the Pahalgam terror attack, India launched Operation Sindoor to strike back at terror camps in Pakistan. On May 7, India struck 9 terrorist camps in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Pakistan retaliates with drone and missile strikes, prompting India to counter-attack. Pakistan attacked on Indian civilian with drone and missile attack. However, the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force neutralized the Pakistan attack with zero damage. As such, India struck Pakistan for 3 consecutive days that made Pakistan to bow down before India. India have agreed to halt all kinds of military actions as of now with requests from Pakistan. Pakistan realized creating war against India will remove them from the world map. Lately, Pakistan Director General of Military Operations reached out to the Indian DGMO at around 3:30 p.m. on Saturday and requested to halt all kinds of attack. It was agreed between them both sides would cease all firing and military actions on land, air and sea with effect from 1700 hours, and the official negotiation from both countries will be on 12th May. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri said,
I have a very brief statement to make. Following that, as you know, there will be a briefing by my colleagues from the military. The Director General of Military Operations of Pakistan called the Director General of Military Operations of India at 15:35 hours earlier this afternoon. It was agreed between them that both sides would stop all firing and military action on land and in the air and sea with effect from 1700 hours Indian Standard Time today. Instructions have been given on both sides to give effect to this understanding. The Directors General of Military Operations will talk again on the 12th of May at 1200 hours.
However, even though Pakistan and India agrees for ceasefire, there will be another war between both the countries if Pakistan try to look at Kashmir ever again, which is obvious. American President Donald Trump congratulated both the countries for the ceasefire agreement. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.